In this video, we're diving into how to create and manage contact lists in GetResponse, a popular marketing tool that many businesses use to build and nurture email lists. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to organize your contacts effectively, but also discover if GetResponse really stacks up against some of its competition. Stick around to the end for a special offer, and let's get started. First off, let's walk through creating a contact list. To do this, simply log into your GetResponse account. Once you're in, head over to the Contacts tab and click on Lists. From here, you can click on Create List, name it, and give it a description if you like. This helps you stay organized, especially if you're running multiple campaigns or targeting different audiences. Next thing, when you have your list created, you'll want to import contacts. You can do this by uploading a CSV or Excel file with your contact information. Just click Import Contacts on the list you've created, select your file, and GetResponse will automatically match the fields like email, first name, last name, etc. But be cautious here, make sure your data is clean and properly formatted to avoid issues. The third thing you should know is how to manage your contacts once they're in. You can filter them by different criteria, like location, behavior, or source, and segment them into smaller, targeted lists. This segmentation is crucial for personalized email marketing and helps boost engagement rates. If you're sending emails to everyone on your list without targeting specific groups, you're missing out on a lot of potential. Now, let's talk about automation. GetResponse offers great automation tools that can be used alongside your contact lists. You can set up automated email sequences based on contact behavior or even create workflows. This allows you to nurture leads without needing to constantly manage them manually. Next thing, one feature that stands out in GetResponse is its tagging system. Tags help you assign attributes to your contacts, like VIP or interested in product A. You can then use these tags to trigger specific emails or add contacts to different workflows. It's a powerful tool, but keep in mind, the more tags you use, the more organization you need to maintain. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the reporting tools. GetResponse gives you a full breakdown of how your lists are performing, from open rates to click rates. This data helps you make better decisions when it comes to refining your strategy, and it also allows you to see if certain lists or tags are underperforming. And while GetResponse has a lot to offer, it does have some limitations. For example, its user interface can be a little clunky at times, especially when compared to more modern alternatives. Plus, its automation setup, while powerful, can be overwhelming if you're not familiar with marketing automation tools. So, is GetResponse the best choice for creating and managing contact lists? Well, it's a solid tool, but not necessarily the easiest or most intuitive one out there. But don't worry, I've got some great alternatives that you might find more suited to your needs. Before I wrap up, I want to let you know about an exclusive deal for GetResponse, but also mention some alternatives that might be even better for your contact management goals. These alternatives offer robust features, streamlined interfaces, and even better customer support, and they also have free trials. By using our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you're serious about improving your email marketing, stick around for these alternatives. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link below for your exclusive deal and free trial.